Hello, you know it's Pelly Chicken Entertainer. Today, I'm going to show you a story time how I met my girlfriend. How I met my girlfriend, so I was placing everything in Radwood Park. I started placing everything in Radwood Park, yeah? Then there's this new girl that came to the club. So what, oh, it's raining outside. So what happened is that I asked her, what's your name? Then basically she said, oh, my name is Tania. I said, oh, your name's Tania. I asked her for a familiar name. She said, wait. Then she's like, oh, wait. Are you from the other club that I used to go to? She's like, yeah, Pelly, how are you? She said, good. I said, good. Then she said, oh, I'd been busy, you know what I'm doing. Then, well, what she said is something weird. She said, I asked her because, you know, I can, like, looking at her. She said, are you okay, Pelly? I said to her, I want to make a say. And she said, I asked her, oh, I like you. And she was like, oh, really? She was like, okay. Then she started telling all of them were picking on me. Well, not like actually picking on me, but she was saying, you like Tania? You like Tania? And like, sure. They tell me, what do you like about her? But I said, well, I was kind of shy because, you know, like, yeah, because there were loads of people around. I was shy. I said she had a good personality, she's beautiful, she's cute, like all of that. The same thing with you. Yeah, so what happened was the next day she started never talking to me. Then when we got outside, she's like, Pelly, come here. Then the most annoying thing is her friend said, oh, you're gonna get married. And that where? We were like, where? Then me telling you about that way, like that. In the forest. I was like, what? Yeah, okay, there's a forest near the football cage. In the forest, and I'm like, and we're like, what? Why are you gonna get married? And she's like, aren't you a couple? I was like, to her, I like that, huh? Well, we're not a couple, but we like each other. But then, I liked her, but I didn't. If she let me, see why she like babe. Well, I know if she like me, you know, like, yes, yeah. So like, so a friend came up to me and said, oh, Tania, I like you because you're cute. I like, what? And the first of all, she was like, nothing like that. She was like, really? I liked her, really? I liked her because she was across the other side of the hall. Like, really? She said, she was like this. The next thing I saw like, then it all happened when the most important thing, then she never talked to me. That was so mad. For 2 days she never talked to me. For 2 days, yeah? For 2 days, yeah, that's mad. No talking to a girl that you like for 2 days. That's So basically what happened was the ring dropped out. Then her friends were picking on me saying, oh, this and that. Pelly lost your ring. Then I picked it up. Then she was like, then her friend was like, no, you put it in your pocket. Tania started crying, yeah, because it's her grandma's ring, well, not her grandma's ring, a special ring, yeah. Then I like, no, I wouldn't. Then Tania was like, you know what, I'm done, Pelly. I'm not talking to you 2 days, that's it. I forgive you, but I'm not talking to you 2 days because I need a break. So I like, okay, you need a break. You need a break. You need a break. As I was saying now, I need a break. For 2 days, you know. 2 days. Let me put it in the fridge. I'm saying 2 days, yeah. She wrote me a letter. Because it was pain. 2 days now. 2 days now. Like 2 days now. She wrote me a letter saying, Pelly, I forgive you. I like you now. And I want to be a couple. Then, one thing here, she said they want to be my boyfriend. I like this. I like, okay, sure, but we're already boyfriend and girlfriend, maybe we like each other, but that's not true. She said, if you like each other, that means you have a crush on me, and I have a crush on you. Then she kind of turned and said, girlfriend and boyfriend, she said. Wow, then, you know what, guys, I need to tell you something here. This is my 5th video that I'm making today. It's 16th of the 16th. It's 16th of June, I think. 16th, I think. When you check my phone, well, this is my phone I camera do, but the lighting is very good. I'm not like doing it on like camera. I'm doing it on the YouTube camera because the light is amazing, and you can do the intros. Anyway, I was saying that day, I still talk to her on Instagram. I'm calling her on Instagram. But then my mum, she was like, I have a girlfriend because someone told me. I like, who told you? She said, some girl told me that you have a girlfriend. I like, sure, I have a girlfriend. Now, I started talking to her on Instagram because I got her Instagram the other day that my mum knew I had a girlfriend. Then, yeah, that time, yeah. One thing I could tell you, there's this girl in my school called Inkla, yeah? Wait, what? I shouldn't be saying people's names, you know. E, called E. Well, I already said it now, but E. Called E. So like, there's this girl on TikTok called something like E, like Elizabeth, something like TikTok. Elizabeth Hart, something like TikTok. I forgot her name, but I'm just gonna call her, yeah, Elizabeth Hart. This thing, yeah, I like, but the personality, she's good, she's very nice, she's cute. The one thing that came out Anchor's mouth, blue eyes, she's black obviously, blue eyes, brown skin and dimples, dark skin and dimples, but like my color, yeah. Brown skin and dimples. I like, send me, write it down and send me her TikTok account. I don't have TikTok, but on Instagram, I'm making get TikTok. So I said, that's so cool. So send me her Instagram account, her username, send me her Instagram username, send me her TikTok username. She wrote it on big piece of paper. Then, I was gonna see it again. I get everything. Yeah, I got to. Yeah, so I was saying, as I seen that time, that girl. Now, I can't tell my girlfriend. Whoa, wait. Actually, wait. One thing that I like about my girl, she had pretty eyes and she had dimples. I like dimples still. I love them. I love dimples. Dimple the best thing ever, but all the girls in my class had dimple. I don't get that, boys, except for Shahad. No, except for S-H, except for S-H. Why? But this girl can annoy me called S-H. Not like the girl Shahad, yeah. But this girl called another girl from Jamaica. She's in my class. Still. End of the video. If you liked it, I see you lot.